everyone. Myself Vinay Bhushan. I am working here as a faculty in analytics area. I am working with this institute for last 12 years. I teach the courses like Advanced Excel, R, Python and Tableau. In today's digital world, the data is a most powerful tool for any business entrepreneur only if they know how to use it properly. The majority of the industries, they could not see the real benefits of which they should have been seen because of lack of knowledge and understanding of the data and data analytics. We are offering business analytics as a specialization for last 5 years, where we teach the students from basics to advanced level of the analytics courses. Where in term 1, the students are going to study about more of descriptive analytics, and in term 2 and term 3, where the students are going to study about the diagnostic analytics, and term 4 and term 5, where they will be studying about the predictive analytics with machine learning using Python, and term 6, where the students will be more focused on the prescriptive analytics and also some advanced technologies where these things they will be using in real life examples, where the students will be used the real life examples to explore the real life situational problems. The student would study all the functional analytics courses like marketing analytics, financial analytics, HR analytics, and also the operations and supply chain analytics. These courses have been taught by the industry experts who are working in this particular area. We do update the syllabus on a regular basis based on the inputs we receive from the industry experts and also our alumnus and our recruiters, where they are directly involved in from developing to delivering these courses. Recently, we have inaugurated Industry 4.0 lab, we call it as a C4A4 lab in our campus, where we teach and also train the industry managers and also academia on Industry 4.0 developments. We also do the assessment of the industries and also we guide them in implementing Industry 4.0 technologies. Recently, we have introduced PGDM in Industry 4.0. This is specially designed for the engineers who are having a work experience or the fresh graduates with good analytical skills will be eligible for this particular course. These students will undergo all the pillars of Industry 4.0 fundamentals and also the advanced technologies with additional knowledge like the supply chain 4.0, logistics 4.0. All these courses they will be learning in this particular PGDM 4.0. We do undertake a lot of industry live projects where we involve students in this assignments. Currently, we have Industry 4.0 assignments with Tata Steel, JSW Steel, and also with Phosphate Steels, where we are giving support in implementation of Industry 4.0 technologies. Thank you.